Shalom Aleichem and welcome. This is Rabbi Yaakov Trump, and I want to welcome you, the Nach Yomi community, to Nach Yomi 3.0, the next version of the Nach Yomi app. We've been learning together for a while, but now is the opportunity of taking advantage of some of the new and exciting features of Nach Yomi. First, we thank the Rothman Foundation for enabling this app and all the previous versions to spread Torah to thousands around the world on a daily basis. Let's look at some of the incredible new opportunities we have in our learning. First, everything that was in the previous app still is, which means almost all of those 742 Parakim of Tanakh exist on this app and are connected to your personalizable 5 or 7 day calendar, connected to the color coding, dark gray for the chapters you finished, light gray for those you've started, and pink for the ones you haven't quite got to yet. On the home screen, you'll see the previous and following day on tiles at the bottom as well for easier access. When you look at the library function, you'll now notice that there are not only just 2 Nevi'im and Ksuvim tabs, but there's also Haftarah. We've added the entire library of Haftarahs. Regular weekdays and special Haftarahs are all there with text and podcasts of Nach Yomi to help you bring the Haftarah to your Shabbos table. In addition, now when you look at the media player, we put a lot of work in the background of this media player, so it's more functional in terms of being able to work with Bluetooth, being interrupted, coming back to the same place. And you'll notice at the bottom on the bottom left, you'll have a bookmark function with a little heart. If you really like a chapter, you can hit the share on social media button as well to share the wealth with others. You'll notice that when you're playing now, there'll be on your notification bar, there will be the media player, which allows you to be in other apps, other places on your phone, and to be able to press pause and start in an easily accessible way. You'll notice in the middle of your media player there's a more button. Yes, it does get a little way of the text, but it takes us to some of the most incredible functions we now have on Nach Yomi. And those are some of the extra things that we've linked. Nach Q, working with Chidon HaTanakh, with quizzes to be able to quiz yourself on those chapters that you finished in Hebrew. We now have Rabbi Chaim Angel's shiurim, which you can listen to on that particular parak on these incredible topics. In addition, here's what it looks like inside the actual Nach Q itself as we roll it out in Sefer Yehoshua. We have Rabbi Rosner's voice. We also have Rabbi Shaya Sussman's bullet point summaries of every chapter. We're working with diet.ac.il to be able to invest maps. This is a growing project. If you're interested in contributing or being part of this, please let us know so we can incorporate your voice as well. You'll notice that the bookmarks can be found now under the bookmark section in the profiles, where you want to come back to those chapters and save them for later. They really meant something to you. You can also add your own photo to change your profile and see on your dashboard how far you've gone in Tanakh as a whole, and the chapters completed, the chapters just started. Well, of course, there's also the dark mode now, which for some people makes it easier to read and also saves power. We now have on the left-hand side a hamburger menu, which allows us to connect with you through notifications. You can take a survey, you can donate to make Nach Yomi even better. These are all ways to make this the most incredible experience of learning Nach. This is an opportunity for us to grow and learn together. Looking forward to seeing you on Nach Yomi 3.0. Please review, please share, and have a wonderful and meaningful day.